Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Ready to reach more customers and boost your online sales? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to connect your TikTok shop directly to your Shopify store. When you finish this video, you'll have your storefront seamlessly linked, making it so much easier to manage your products, sync up inventory, and tap into the huge audience on TikTok, all from your existing Shopify dashboard. Let's jump straight in. First up, you'll want to open your Shopify admin page. This is basically the control center for your store where you manage products, orders, settings, and of course, integrations like this one. If you're already logged into Shopify, great, you're right where you need to be. If not, just navigate to Shopify.com and log in with your store credentials. It's kind of like walking into the back office of your shop. Everything you need is right there. Once you're in your admin panel, go ahead and look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on Apps. This is the spot where Shopify keeps all your installed apps, and it's also the starting point for adding new ones. Think of apps as tiny digital assistants that help your store run smoother, whether that's helping you with shipping, marketing, or in our case today, connecting to new sales channels like TikTok. In the search box at the top of the apps page, type in TikTok. Don't rush through this bit. Shopify has a lot of third-party apps, and you want to be sure you're getting the right one. As you're typing, you'll probably notice a few different TikTok-related apps popping up. What you're looking for is TikTok Shop SPL. SPL stands for Sales Partner Link, and this is the official integration for syncing Shopify with TikTok Shop in 2024. If you see other TikTok apps, that's okay, but make sure you choose the one specifically labeled Shop SPL. That ensures it's the right fit for actual product syncing, rather than just advertising or analytics. Once you've found it, click on TikTok Shop SPL. You'll be taken to the app's installation screen. Here, you might see a few quick details about what the app does. Basically, it connects your Shopify store with your TikTok shop, allowing inventory and order information to flow between the two. If you're curious, you can scroll through the app's description, review a few ratings, and maybe even check out some screenshots of how it works. Take a moment to make sure it's what you need. If it all looks good, move ahead by clicking the Install button. Shopify may ask you to approve some permissions, which is just their way of making sure you know what data the app can access. Don't worry, this is standard anytime you install an app that connects your store to another platform. Go ahead and accept and the installation will start. Depending on your internet speed, this step might take a few moments, so don't worry if it's not instant. Once the installation finishes, you're done. Your TikTok shop and Shopify are now connected. You should see the app show up in your list of installed apps, and from there you'll be able to configure it further or check out your new connection. It's a bit like having two stores in different shopping malls, but now you've opened a magical door between them so inventory and orders can walk straight through. That's all there is to it, just 4 simple steps, and you're ready to reach millions more potential customers on TikTok while managing everything from your Shopify dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions along the way, drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and tips to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.